if you just want me to kind of lay the groundwork for how Aries showed up as their SWAT team. And fast forward to pre-Hurricane Ian, I talked to Matt Hausch. He's my nephew-in-law, but he's a nephew to me. And here Ian's coming, and it's projected to hit, Venice, Tampa Bay, that type of thing. We're talking what ifs. And sure enough, Tampa Bay area was spared. It hit here.
And we have new images tonight of Ian's fury. The eye wall plowing through Placida, Florida, ripping homes to shreds. And making landfall as a strong Category 4 hurricane, just shy of a Category 5. The record-breaking storm surge. Whoa. Ripping roofs off homes, sending debris flying.
As soon as we were able to logistically get here, we found out the extent of the damage. Not only we had, our neighbors, our community called Matt. I said, we need you. So that's where it all started. And they showed up in droves, immediately, like a SWAT team. Many of our neighbors in our community. So my first call was to Matt. They're Mary's Roofing, his family. Boy, was that a great call, because within a day, they had crew after crew headed down, tarps and supplies, and not just to repair roofs, but to help our community. Our particular roof didn't hold up that well. We lost our ridge caps, our soffits, but lo and behold, our tiki hut held up well. And the Seminole Indians built it. I'm sorry it wasn't Aries Roofing, but the Seminole Indians built a great tiki hut, and we felt fortunate it was still there, so we opened it up. Aries Roofing sent food and drinks and supplies down, and we fed not only the Aries crews, but local tree companies, power line workers for weeks. There were days we fed well over 100 people here at our home, and that was all backed by Aries Roofing. So they weren't just down here just to get roof business. They were down here to help the community, and that's the kind of people they are. Aries Roofing came down to help us and our neighbors. They weren't, didn't come down just for profit. They're Christians, and that's the way they operate their business. They're there to help their neighbors, whether they be in Tarpon Springs or Charlotte County.